In this section, we'll look at how easy it is to sign a PDF document right on your Mac. Let's open up this PDF document I have here. It will open up with the default app called Preview. From here, I'll select my Markup toolbar, and you'll notice that it shows a new Markup menu bar here. From here, I will then select the signature button, and I can then either sign using my trackpad or my camera. The camera will allow me to scan this in. For this demo, we'll use the trackpad. I'll click here to begin, and then simply use my finger on my trackpad to draw my signature. Once I'm done, I can press the Enter key and then tap on Done. This will also save your signature for future uses. I'll select my signature. I can then enlarge it or make it smaller and move it wherever it needs to go on my document. And that's how easy it is to sign a document with Preview and Markup on Mac.